Distribute Ledger Technology Law. Distribute Ledger Technology Law or DLT law, or also called blockchain law, like cryptography or algorithmic legal order, is not yet defined and recognized but an emerging field of law due to the recent dissemination of distributed ledger technology application in business and government environment. Smart contracts, which are also enforceable legal contracts and were created through interaction of laws and developers, are called smart legal contracts. DLT and law issues, issue of status and place for dispute resolution. In the legal context, DLT and smart contracts are distinct and face their own problems and challenges. Issue of status is an example which relates to DLT rather than smart contracts. International private law and legislation of various jurisdictions require to identify the location of an asset or place of an agreement in order to solve the conflicts of law problem and determine the applicable governing law. However, the distribution of the register across nodes in multiple jurisdictions raises a seemingly intractable problem. Jurisprudence legal principle at least as to where the status should be holding something on DLT and excluding smart contracts or title to an asset does not isolate it from the legal system and laws of respective jurisdiction. Some blockchain enthusiasts may have misinterpreted the statement "code is law" as implying that code can supersede the law or that decentralized networks create their own legal regimes. In case of a dispute between the parties of the smart contracts within the DLT, the issue areas where a distributed ledger is located in order to determine the place for dispute resolution. Blockchain also process questions concerning the ability to identify the parties to a transaction. To the extent a system utilizing this technology remains anonymous, which may raise a host of additional issues related to dispute resolution. Issue of legal validity and update of code on DLT, an absence of legal compliancy mechanism on DLT, self-executing nature of code on DLT and limit ability to update the code if the law saying create a number of legal issues. There are several possible solutions of addressing this issue. One method could be a system in which the relevant jurisdiction creates a publicly available database and application programming interface or API or relevant legal provision. This would be provision related to the terms of the contracts. The smart contract will call these terms and will be able to update this provision term in accord with the jurisdiction update of the database. On more conservative side of DLT and law interaction spectrum are two solutions proposed by Alexander Savel. One, to introduce the concept of a supervisor for government authorities, which will have a right to modify the content of blockchain database in accordance with a specific procedure in order to reflect the decision of state authority. 2. To enforce the decision of state authorities in offline mode by pursuing the specific user enforcing them to include things in blockchain themselves, as well as by using traditional third claim, unjust enrichment claims, and specific performance claim. Issue of automation of smart contracts and oracles to facilitate the safe execution. A smart contract needs access to sources of even information through which the execution of its terms and conditions is assessed. The interest rate swap example, the distributed ledger must have access to assets of the parties in order to fulfill the parties' payment obligation, and it must have access to a provider of interest rate information. The solution to the issue of access to assets vary and may be